have another Girls Unboxing Girl review by Ella. And I am so excited because this is a surprise. You all and me are going to be finding out what is in this. And I am so excited, so let's go. So now let's open it up. But before we open it up, I'm guessing that it's an RC car because this is RC for all and you have to have RC cars on RC for all or any kind of RC too. Danger. Okay. Oh, that hurt. Oh, that hurt. Oh, that hurt. Oh. Are you serious?
Are you serious?
Guys. Okay. Are you ready? Paper! JK. That's cool. Oh my goodness. Okay. Turn it around. That is so cool. Are you guys ready? This is what Lainey has. It's a Barbie RC car. That is so cool. Oh. So I'm guessing that you put like a Barbie in here, and then you have a remote controller, and then you like drive the Barbie around. That is so cool. So this is awesome. I am so excited to play with this. It has lights. Now we're gonna put batteries in it and then drive it around. So we got it out of the box and here's what it looks like. This took 2 AAA's batteries and this took 5 AA's. I think it has a lot of detail. It has mirrors, it has a steering wheel, but it actually doesn't turn. But yeah, I think it's really cool and I can't wait to drive it. Remote controller has forward, backwards, and then turn. But that's really cool. And then, yeah, on and off. And then you can turn the car on and off as well. So now we're gonna put this Barbie in. She wants to go for a little ride. So it holds 1 or 2 Barbies, so whatever you want. So now let's take it for a test drive.
Oh, so when you back up, the brake lights come on.
Really?
Yeah. And when you go forward, the headlights come on. really fun.
My Barbies loved it. I definitely loved it a lot. My dogs hated it. I will definitely drive this a lot. I will definitely drive it in the summer. But right now it's winter and we're under a winter storm warning, so that's really bad. But I will definitely drive this when it warms up, and make sure you subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and turn on your notifications bell. Bye! We're panting. Okay. A what?
But no,
I. Ow! Hi, Twinkle Toes. That was bad.